In Islam, the husband has only one degree of responsibility over the wife. One. If you were to count all the rights and duties of the husband, all the rights and duties of the wife in Islam, you'll find that they are absolutely equal in number. Not all the same, but equal in number. And then the husband has one extra degree of responsibility. One. Let's have a look at this one extra degree. It is called in the Quran Al-Qawwama. Al-Qawwama means simply the leader of his house, the protector, and the maintainer. Your duty, my dear sister, is to help your husband, help him, motivate him, and help him to feel confident about himself, to be your leader, to be your maintainer, and to be your protector. If you stand in his way, you break him, and we break the family too. You worry about your duties and your motherhood. Focus on those children. That's where your power is, subhanAllah.